In this episode of myofascial pain trigger points, I wanted to go over the Tensor Fasciae Latae, which is also known as the TFL. The TFL is a muscle that most would think of as kind of like part of their IT band on the outside of the leg. This guy is in the front. If you find your ASIS, which is your anterior superior iliac spine, and you find the iliac crest, that bony ridge that goes up and around your hips and pelvis, the Tensor Fasciae Latae is in the front. So you could find the greater trochanter of the femur, find the ASIS. You're kind of in the middle between those two. This guy, in my case, you could use a tennis ball. I actually recommend you probably start with a tennis ball, but I have a problem with my TFL on my right side. For a long time, I thought I was having knee pain. It turns out that the TFL was having some referred pain problems where it was pulling and I think referring a little pain down my right leg. I'm going to put a golf ball in place. I'm going to start with my legs bent. So when I come in, I'm going to position this guy. And again, I'm in front of and superior to the greater trochanter of the femur. I can sort of stack weight. I can lift my other leg to put some downward pressure into that area. And in my case, because I've done this so many times, I actually prefer when my leg is lengthened. So I'm going to lengthen my leg out. I'm going to see if I can, stack right there. Now I'm going to bring my other leg forward and give myself just a second. As my hips are stacked, I'm pressing straight down onto that golf ball, okay? And in my case, I'm going to see right there, as I shifted just a little bit cephalad, a little bit anterior, a little bit up towards my head, I went and I got referred pain down to the edge of the outside of my right knee. I'm going to slowly start to lift that leg, and that helps me work through that muscle using compressive force from the tennis ball. I can lean just a little further forward, right? As I pull myself up using my arm, right there. TFL kind of feeds into the IT band along with vastus lateralis. I'm not really encouraging you to use a tennis ball on your IT band. We really are at the top up here as part of TFL. A lot of people who do yoga, run regularly, sometimes have problems with this muscle. Again, I thought I was having knee pain, and it turns out it was just some referred pain from Tensor Fasciae Latae. Go slow, use a tennis ball at first. If you find that even the tennis ball is too firm, you can get a towel, fold it over the tennis ball so it dampens a little bit, makes it a little more broad, a little more soft, and then you can slowly put pressure into your tensor fascia, in my case some rolling pressure, tensor fascia latae. I'll see you guys again soon on myofascial pain trigger points.